In this video, we'll guide you through the process of importing PDF bank statements into Xero, converting them into a usable format, and reconciling transactions. While Xero integrates directly with over 10,000 banks, importing PDFs is still necessary for non-integrated banks or historical data. We'll cover the essential steps and tools needed for seamless reconciliation, even with the latest AI advancements from Xero in 2025. Now let's import the converted CSV file into Xero. Navigate to Accounting, then Bank Accounts, and select Import a Statement. Upload the CSV file and carefully map the columns from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Xero. This ensures that the data is correctly interpreted. Xero may automatically categorize transactions using predefined rules or AI-powered suggestions. Once the data is imported, the crucial step is reconciliation. This involves matching the imported bank transactions to your existing invoices and expenses recorded in Xero. Use Xero's Find and Match feature for efficient bulk reconciliation. It's essential to avoid duplicates or omissions during this process. Proper reconciliation is key for accurate financial reporting. The reconciliation interface shows how transactions are matched, with options to match, create, or transfer entries. Xero's Smart Reconciliation feature harnesses machine learning to streamline the reconciliation process. This AI-powered tool analyzes your historical transaction categorizations to intelligently suggest matches for new bank statement entries. The system learns from patterns in how you've previously matched and categorized transactions, building a knowledge base that becomes more accurate with continued use. For small businesses, this can reduce reconciliation time by 30 to 50%, allowing accounting teams to focus on more strategic tasks rather than manual matching. To maintain high accuracy, regularly review the AI's suggested matches and make corrections as needed. This feedback loop helps the system better understand your specific transaction patterns and improves its performance over time. Importing PDF bank statements into Xero can sometimes encounter errors that need troubleshooting. Common issues include mismatched dates, currencies, or incorrect formatting in your converted CSV file. Xero provides built-in validation checks to help identify these problems before you complete the import. These checks will flag inconsistencies and guide you to correct them. If you encounter issues, start by double-checking your CSV file for accuracy. Ensure all data is correctly extracted from the PDF and matches Xero's expected format. Pay special attention to the date format. Xero typically uses DDMMYYY or MMDDY depending on your settings. Make sure dates are consistent throughout the file. Also, verify your currency settings match the statement. Xero supports multiple currencies, but they must be properly configured for accurate imports. For PDFs containing images or non-standard formats, you may need to make manual adjustments in the CSV file. However, be aware that this process can lead to a 15 to 20% error rate, according to user reports. The trend is moving towards increased automation. Cloud-based converters and integrations with tools like Zapier and Microsoft Power Automate enable automated PDF to CSV conversion and seamless integration with other business systems. The future outlook includes full AI conversion of PDFs without user intervention. Experts predict a decline in manual PDF handling as more banks adopt open banking standards. To maximize efficiency, ensure your PDFs are clean and free of watermarks or scans. Regularly update your Xero bank rules to automate transaction categorization. Consider using Xero's mobile app for convenient statement imports. Upskilling in automation tools and AI-assisted accounting practices will be crucial as the technology evolves. Remember, experts view PDF import as a transitional skill, with AI poised to make it obsolete by 2030.